Hello YouTube and fellow sports cards collectors, this is Eric J and welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to just open some football cards for the heck of it. So I got this 2019 Panini Absolute Football box, so let's see what we get. So we got 8 packs. And let's open some of these packs and see what we get. DeAndre Hopkins, Kiko Alonso, Mitch Trubisky, Eagles, JJ, was it Arcega-Whiteside? Rookie card of Josh Jacobs for the Raiders. And a Farrell rookie card of the Raiders. A couple of Washington football. Montez Sweat and Teddy McLaurin. We go this side. Jameis Winston, Keenan Allen, Nick Chubb, Leighton Vander Esch, rookie cards, Jamal Dean, Buccaneers, Trevathan Williams of the Bengals, Darius Slayton for the Giants, and Jawan Williams, cornerback of the Patriots. Mariota, Sam Darnold, Adam Thielen. Team trios, Sonny Michel, Tom Brady, and Julian Edelman. Williams is Preston. Marquise Brown. Greedy Williams, Browns. And a Darrell Henderson for the Rams. Clay Matthews. Courtland Sutton, Deshaun Watson, Le'Veon Bell, Will Greer. Remember he played at West Virginia, didn't he? Yeah. David Sills the fifth. Austin Bryant. and a Deontay Johnson. And Tom Brady and Matt Ryan. And Jalen Ramsey. Gridiron Force Lawrence Taylor. That's pretty cool. Calvin Harmon. Sean Murphy Bunting. Devin Singletary. And Myles Gaskin. Juju Smith-Schuster. Kenny Galladay. Shaquille Griffin. NFL Icons, Jerry Rice. Cool. Taylor Rapp. Justice Hill. Jonathan Abram. Tony Pollard. 2 packs left. Kenyon Drake. Christian McCaffrey. Travis Kelce. Darrell Henderson. Introductions. And I'm a Bears fan, so the David Montgomery is a pretty cool rookie card. But not as good as Kyler Murray, though. At least in terms of the hype train and #1 pick. So that's a pretty cool card. I'll set that one there. Christian Wilkins and Devin Bush. Well, we'll get this card in here. Rookie Forrest DK Metcalf, Seattle Seahawks. Cool. Ingram, Larry Fitzgerald, Ezekiel Elliott, Red Zone. Jalen Hurd, Twan Wesley, and AJ Brown. So, cool cards. Just something different that I haven't opened before, just so I figured just open it for the heck of it. So, if you enjoyed watching this video, please leave a like and a comment. Those are all appreciated. We'll look forward to chatting with y'all in a future video. Thanks now and bye.